Today I'm going to show you how to share a FigJam file quickly and easily. If you work with teammates, clients, or collaborators, this is one of the fastest ways to get feedback and make sure everyone has access to the same board. I'll walk you through the simple sharing options step by step, and I'll also show you the link sharing method in case you want a faster way to send access. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the FigJam file that you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct board before you send anything out, especially if you have multiple projects open. Once the file is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue share button. This is the main sharing menu, and it gives you the options you need to invite people directly or create a shareable link. After the sharing window opens, you'll see a field where you can enter the recipient's email address. Type in the email of the person you want to share the FigJam file with. If you want to add more than one person, you can usually enter multiple email addresses depending on how your workspace is set up. Next, look at the drop-down on the right side of the email field. This is where you choose the access level for that person. Click the drop-down and select the permission you want to give them. For example, you may want them to have view access, comment access, or editing access, depending on how much control you want them to have over the board. Choosing the correct permission is important because it controls what the other person can do once they open the file. If they only need to review the design, give them limited access. If they need to actively collaborate, choose a permission that lets them edit. Once the email and permission are set, send the invitation from the share menu. The recipient will then receive access based on the setting you chose. Now, there's also a second method, and this is usually the fastest one if you just want to send someone a link. Instead of entering an email address, click Copy Link in the sharing window. FigJam will generate a shareable link for the file. You can then paste that link into email, chat, Slack, or any other communication tool you use. This is especially useful when you want to share the board with someone quickly or when you're sending it to multiple people at once. Just remember to double check the link settings and permissions before sending it out, so the right people get the right level of access. And that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to share a FigJam file, either by inviting someone directly through email or by copying a shareable link. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful FigJam and Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.